What up, internet?
Hi there, camera.
This is Bumbling Tourist. We're here in Yangon, Myanmar, about to have an adventure. Come with us.
Yeah.
Previously on Bumbling Tourist.
Ningalaba.
We're in Myanmar.
Let's adventure.
Yeah. I trust you know what you're doing.
Ultimate salad. It's vegetarian. So we got some pig's heart, which is all vegetarian. Pig's heart and was it fish cakes and kind of other intestine type thing, but all vegetarian, which is both appealing and adventurous, right? So good. Bumbling tourist logo goes, right?
Yeah.
Cheers. I like the sign on the wall. Do you like the sign on the wall? Just be kind to animals by not eating them. See it?
Yeah.
Straight to the point.
No.
Can't really see the sign, but it says Vegetarian Center. Right there. How was it?
Delish.
Super good. The guy was super friendly too.
Yeah.
I'd totally recommend. It's definitely hard to see, but out in the distance there, right there, is a little golden Shwedagan Pagoda that we went to earlier. And there's also this guy. And over here is the waterfront. We'll show you it in the morning, but it's probably the end of today's stuff, right? You want to say goodbye?
Night.
We came back to the temple from yesterday that we didn't come in because of leg attire. But today we're all set.
Pajama pants from now on.
Yeah. Let's check it out. The lanterns are beautiful. I can't remember the name, but I do know the name, so I'll put it on the screen. Beautiful door. The nice lady at the door, I was feeling nervous. She said, come in, take a picture. And she made picture photos, signs at me, so I think it's okay. Should we head out?
Yeah, I'll take.
Picture. We're attempting to do the Lonely Planet walking tour of Old Town.
You?
So far, huh?
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
So we've been told by our family that it's snowing back home. Guess what, guys? It's snowing here too. We're gonna start with this guy over here. That church. What's up with that?
It's a Baptist church. It was built in 1830.
And what about that clock tower cool thing over there?
You told me that's the High Court.
And what about that monument in the middle?
A monument? It's an independence monument.
Hey, you know so many knowledge things? Yeah. Also the book knows. So we just went into the old colonial post office and wrote up some postcards for our fam jams. The only family that we know the postal codes of. Maybe don't show the back. But yeah. And now we're gonna post them.
How does this work?
You put it in the hole that's above the door. This is the Japanese vending machines all over again. It's up there.
Oh, I see.
Yay!
And if you don't know, now you know.
We wanted to mention that this series was filmed in February 2020. A lot has changed in the world and in Myanmar since. Myanmar was the friendliest and most welcoming country we have ever visited.
As we release these videos in this series, it's 2021, and the citizens of Myanmar are risking their lives to protest a military overtake of their government.
We certainly are no authority on what's going on, but we definitely encourage you to keep up to date with what's happening.